In this way, I want to thank you, uh, all readers, all people that helped me in this way, because uh, because you, they're my readers, helped me with this money, but also because you bought my books on Amazon, especially in this time. The people bought the novel um, The Lights of Love, and also the big novel The Father of Love. Because you helped me, you bought my books directly from Amazon, or download my novel Gabriel on my website, and with this money I bought my ticket for poetry festival in Lima, and I'm very happy for that. And I want to thank all people that helped me, and just I pray for them, and I wish all people to be happy, and to be happy with my books. And God bless you all and me. I'm Victoria Dutu, and I want to thank you again for this help, because in this way I bought my airplane ticket, and I will be at this poetry festival in Lima in May, and uh, I just want to be there to discover new friends, to discover new poets, and I think the poetry movement in our world is very important, and very strong movement in our world, because the poetry is the beautiful space of mind. And I'm very happy to paint artworks and to write a poems, to write a poetry books, because just when I read and write a poem, just I build a new understanding in my mind, because every poem that I wrote, that I read, is just a new meditation about myself, about my world, about God, about complex meanings of life. And in this way, I invite you, if you don't know my books, I invite you, they're my friend on social media, to discover my poetry books, my novels, my art albums. And if you buy a book written by me or art album, you just help me to be part in next cultural event. Thank you a lot, and God bless you all, you and me.